How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. Hope the market is good to you. Good shit to me. But, see if we can turn that around. See if we get a push back up here. See if we get a push back up. Almost seems like we're setting up a little bear flag, which is kind of nerve-wracking. But we'll see. Now, how's my volume on this? See now, it's a bit better. It's literally a windstorm down here. It's a windstorm where I'm too. It's crazy. It's literally a windstorm down here. It's a windstorm where I'm too. Forgot I still had that on. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get our push up here I'm looking for. I don't think so. I don't think we get it. Alright, I was hoping we get a push up off the M2 here. Might go to S1 though. Alright, and that would probably be right. I don't know. I was hoping we get a bounce there, but keep my stop at 412, I guess. If it takes me out, oh well. Because if it does, it probably wants to go down to the 65s, 365s down there for the S1. It's down here, or 366. So we'll see. It's either gonna pop or it's gonna dump. And like I said, we're covered. We're not. Not gonna be a big loss if we do. So small losses are good. Small losses are fine. Got our stop at. We got our stop at. Got our stop at M2, and we got our take profit Is that M4? No. I had that, where's the S1 on that one? Or R1? 507. Well, 507, 508, maybe we'll put up there. I think if we get up there, though, why wouldn't we go to the 50s? You know? Whatever. We're gonna follow the rules. So if we don't follow the rules, that's how you get in trouble. So we're gonna follow it again. So let's see. I haven't been streaming for a little while. I'm trying to focus more on trading. Well, that didn't seem to make a difference, so might as well stream. Measle stream. We don't have any big contracts sitting at any levels. There's 52 contracts at 545s. That's about it. Oh, fucking wind is crazy. I'm gonna tail end of that hurricane from Jamaica or something like that. Which is always nice. I don't like that the S1 is right there. I should just cover this, you know, because if it comes back down. Right, like I wouldn't care, but I'm gonna take it off. Just because that S1 is sitting there. You know, that's moving back up to that, but couldn't that just down to here? That's what it looks like to me. Alright, it's kind of like a big old bear flag. And what is that? What is that one at? That's at 64. Actually feels like that would make more sense. What would 64 be on this? 64 is right down here. 8 seconds left on this candle. And a little pop up maybe to the 618. Which would basically be the 50. CD reaction and look to take it down maybe to the 64s. I wouldn't even care, but I think it's going to go to that S1. Maybe even the M1. I like to touch the 50s first, though. Like to touch the 50s first. we'll see. A little bit higher. What's this at? 59. Alright, the trend is down. So never mind. I don't think that's real. Then again, I've been wrong before. It's at the 64s is what I'm looking for if we go down. 64, 65s, pretty sure it is. That would be this S1 here. This might friggin' rip up, but it's got the feeling it's gonna go down first. We're in a downtrend, so why wouldn't it, right? Five seconds left. Close up at the top and then to get out. Yeah. Unless it starts failing again. Close basically at the top. I don't like that. I guess I read that wrong. I should have stayed in from the M2, but I really thought we were going to go down here to S1 first. Boot, I guess I was wrong. 2 hour. This is the hourly, so that's daily. Okay, so it'll be the 4 hour. Yeah, I guess we continue up. Guess I should have stayed long. I guess the M2 was far enough down. Really thought we were going to get to the S1. Just because of the way this one looked. But now we'll see. I guess we did get through this one all the way down to M1 right here, so that would make sense.
Mom's going to get one, is she?
Yeah. Why?
She's just gone.
Oh.
She's gone off a long time ago at the store. So,
Now she's got to get your brother. Right. Push up here. This might just keep going up now. Little push to the 78s.
I think this looks like too much blue.
It looks nice.
If I have blue
I'm live
leggings.
streaming anyway. But there's nobody on there right now anyway, so no matter.
Yeah, but I got blue leggings on and a blue sweater.
It's a different color blue.
Yes.
Right? I think it looks fine. Look at that. Y'all ready for your day?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave a little early because it's kind of bad outside.
I'd say. Better off to be careful. But have a good day.
Okay.
I'll talk to you later. Be careful driving.
I will.
Okay. How you doing, Rat? I know. I know. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. No. Everybody's going, eh? Leaving us alone. Everybody's going. Just me hanging out. Little pump to the 78s. If it fails up there, try to look to take a short. Oh, no. Oh, no. Right. Yes, 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 yes. Post that. It's 14 contracts at 75s. There's not really a lot of contracts on the chart today. Just this little pump up over. Fail right up there. Would be nice. What's that on our? It's right up at AM3. Do we get it? God knows. Like we're just consolidating up here. Just going back and forth. Sweep it. Start moving back up. But I don't think we're done going down yet. Now could I be wrong? Of course I could be wrong, but I don't think I am. What this makes up? High or low? Oh, just don't do it there. It's So let's see. Let's see. Right, back above the 9 now. Back down, maybe to the VWAP, move up, maybe. Just maybe. Some motherfucking finger. Come on, baby. Give us something. Give us something. Crazy window today. Wouldn't be able to stream from the camper. There's that blow away. Where's this? Over here. Mm-hmm. 45 seconds left on this candle. And look at that, it's going to leave a nice wick. It's going to leave a nice wick. Back below the 618. I'd like to see it up here, then down, but I don't think we're going to get that. And bouncing off the VWAP though. Look for this. Leave that on there, I'll be right back. So it didn't go up yet? Maybe not going to, eh? I was thinking down, but I thought I would get that little pop first. Right before coming down. But hey. Who knows? Alright. 2 wicks there at 618. Probably should have seen that coming. Well, that's okay. 110 left on this candle. And after pushing that down, we're going to move this up. What is this up here? 52. So we'll leave it there and see. We'll leave it there and see. No major contracts sitting anywhere. Starting to push up a bit. See if it continues. Pretty choppy. Okay, 2 dreams. Let's see. looking for the M4. Is it going to get up there? Or is this going to go down? I was nervous because the S1 down here, I was like, it's going to come down to this S1 again and then go up. Or maybe even M1. But I was like, no. I'm just going to stay in it and see if it goes up. God knows. But we're going to try it. That's all we can do. Gonna give it a shot, regardless. Hello, dear.
These go.
Stay lit all the time, or
Probably goes green when it's charged. So put it down there.
on London's. No, it goes out.
Well, maybe it just goes out. Try moving it. See if it.
I guess. I just want to be sure because that's what London's was doing in there.
Oh, okay.
I was like, that worked.
Earpods. The struggle is real. Go on. Go on. Drive all the animals.
Come on.
Animals everywhere. Funny farm. 2 cats, 2 dogs. So, come on. 3 dogs. What am I talking about? Now, what are we coming up to? Up to the M3. It's at 81 or 82, 3. 506 for the R1, and this is at the 50. It's a big ask, but we can get over the M3 pretty decently. We'll probably shoot to the M1 or R1, sorry. So we'll see. Up to the M3 now. Push through that. Probably hit it. Yeah. No major contracts anywhere. 22 contracts for the 97s, 497s. 22 contracts at the 47s down there, 447s. So maybe it goes back down there and runs back up. I don't know. We did get back above the 9, so it's a good sign. 9 EMA. See how we react back at the M3 around the 82 if we get through that. Next level then is S1 is at 506, and then M4 will be 550, which would be ideal, but R1 506 is around. Probably as far as I'm going to look to take it. right? Because we got on the 15-minute dump down, pumped up, consolidated, came down, swept all this, started to move back up. Now it could come right back down and double bottom, or even come back down further, but it could push right back up here, probably get over this and the 640s, and then consolidate again, dip, and start moving up. But it'd be nice if it did start moving up since I'm long, but it's been on a downtrend all day, so. Right, start turning back up late last night, then just consolidate it. So far, dip down, up. And we'll see. Let's go to 4 hour for a second. That would be a candle. So right there. That's fine. Just make it and here. Where's my other? Is it down that far? No. God. This one's here. Where's it at? 411. Why isn't it there? Weird. To continue to push. No crazy amount of contracts sitting anywhere. 22 contracts in the 97s. So, nothing too nuts. Coming up to the M3 again. We get through it this time. We're looking for our R1 after that. Get above that. Run for the M4. That would be nice. That would be nice. They don't get stuck there again. Stuck at the M1 a couple times. I don't know. It's gonna pull back to the main pivot. Main pivot's at what? It's at 460. Yeah, I could definitely see that. I'm gonna take off to the 82. See if we get down to around the 60s. That kind of would make sense. Kind of would make sense. Don't do that. Come down to the 60s. Shit. Ugh. I would have rather it come down to the 60s. I'd rather sweep this. Down to the 60s first. $115 left. Come on. Sweep all this. Give us a nice wick. Alright, it's twice out that M3. That would bring us back to the main pivot here. Yeah, I think it'd be really nice to get in long. I want it back here first. I want it to that main pivot. Alright, we hit this a couple times. Now, could I be wrong? Oh yeah, 100%. But I just think it'd be a better entry. Because I was long since I was down here. Or somewhere, where was that to? Yeah, here. So I was long since down here, but it came up and started stalling up here. So I was like, well, I don't want to, I should have just probably stayed in, I guess, but I was like, if it pulls back down to the main pivot again, it would sweep all this, probably be a good entry again, right? But that's how I'm thinking about it. Could have just probably stayed in, said whatever, but you know, what after this consolidation here and it dipped down, I'm thinking it's going to sweep back up. What if it came back up a little bit and went down, took everything out, you know? Double bottomed or something. So it's hard to say. So I want it at the M4. Here. Yeah, just above all this, right? That would be nice. We'll see. Give it some time. Obviously, it needs to pull back, but it just looks like it's going to. No major contracts sitting anywhere. Six 1-8 is right here, 50. A little tiny bit lower. Yeah. Just had to buy there. That was pretty quick. What's our S1 at? Our S1 is at 506. So we're going to put one at 506. I'm going to put one at the 54, I believe it is. 50, well, 53 is fine. And we'll see if we start moving up a little bit. We got 115 left on this candle. So we'll go from there after that. We're at the 14 EMA on the 15-minute chart, so we can get above that now. $40 left on this candle, so as long as we leave that wick there, I think we'll be okay. Hmm. 120 left on this candle. I like to close back over this. 20 seconds left. Nice little pump. Now, depends how quick this squeezes. If it starts really squeezing, we'll move this up here. We'll watch our 506. It seems like it's getting stuck there at the S1. Or 507, we'll take it off. Or R1, sorry. Trying to push through the 14 EMA on the 15. "25 seconds left of the candle. 24 contracts at the 97s. We're shooting for the R1, but M4 will be really good. We're shooting for the M4, but R1 will be fine. So we'll see if we get it. See if we get it. "24 contracts at the 497s. And that's pretty much, there's 16 contracts at the 410s, or 510s. 12 contracts of the 25s, 525s, so maybe we move up. Fucking M3, man. Holding us down. We got above it, but now we start pushing, hopefully. New 15-minute candle. 23 seconds. I'd like to get above that 14. That would be nice. Come on. Go up. Right? We're so cool. Oh, I don't know though. Is it gonna come back down? '60s where? Just below that. Ugh, I might just take this off for now. I feel like if I do, it's gonna fucking pump. But if I don't take it off, I feel like it's gonna dump. We're hitting right into that. It's fucking M3. Just trying to get to the R1 and maybe M4, but keeps hitting in this. Came down, got up above it, came down again, hitting it again. It's like, is it gonna go through it? Is it gonna fucking stay there? What are we doing? I can see it rip right through it. Right up to the R1. I don't want to come back to the main pivot. That would be gross. But like, you got all this liquidity just sitting up here at M2. Just get over that. I don't know. I'm going to stay in it anyway. What odds? Like, it's trying so hard to get through it. Alright, we went up, came back down, up, fucking just go. I feel like I've been trading this for 5 years. Just want to get to the R1, man. Just do it. Got over the 14 on the 15 minute, 14 EMA, so that's good. Come on. Pumpy, pumpy. The R1's at the 506, I believe. 507. 506. And M4 is at the 52, so 54-ish. Not that I don't think we can't get up there. It's just, I don't know if I'm going to still be in it by the time we do. And like, how do we react here at the R1? Are we going to push through this now, or is it going to be like this, like at the M3, all this fighting just to get up there, you know? Got 50 seconds left on this candle. I'd love to close above it. That would be nice. Above the R1. Alright. R1's at, I need to put a line here, I guess. So this is the R1 basically here. That's where the R1's to, so if we can squeeze above this, that would be perfect, and then we can look for the M4, but you like seriously squeeze hard over it. Maybe even up to the 20s. Look at it. It's just fighting at that R1. Come on, baby. Push through it. I'm gonna take it off. Not saying it's not going to, but you know what I mean. I was already down. I was down like $400 today, so I'm back up just in the green. So I'll wait for this probably to get above, retest the R1, and then look to take it up to the M4. Right? It's not bad. So it's not a bad trade. Actually, two of these trades were pretty good. We got a long one here. This is only 2 micros, so this one was 4 at least. But we got one from down here at the, I think it was the main pivot, and we took it up first, M3, and then we took it from the M3 up to the R1. So it's not bad, right? But I wanted this all the way up to the M4, but can't have it all, eh? And we're coming to the end, basically, of a 2-hour block soon, so I think we get up here before, though. If we can get up above the R1, then we can close, come back and retest it. I'll look to get long again. and then try to take it up as far as the M4. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. It's my plan. We still got 3 minutes left on this candle, so there's lots of time. Don't you rip. Watch it rip. I'd be so mad. It just rips right to the 50s. We don't have a lot of contracts up there, so I can't see it just taking off like that for no reason. But it's fucking NASDAQ. It does whatever it wants. Two minutes left on this candle. Just close next to it. Don't close too far away. Maybe to 20. Pull back into it. Get to the 20. 150 left. So lots of time to get to the 20. Then pull back. And we'll look to get in again and take it up as far as our M4, which is at, what did I say it was? 53. So put a line in there. I could just trade on TradingView, but I don't know. I'm so used to trading on Tradevate. It's weird. I don't know. I just find TradingView is too slow for me sometimes. Maybe slow would be better. Maybe I wouldn't be looking at every reaction, I guess, but 110 left on this candle. We're through the 14 EMA on the 15 and the 50 EMA, so there's no reason we can't go take those highs up at the 50s. Well, 57-ish. 45 seconds left. I really wish we would have hit the 20s though first. You know? Because now we gotta hit the 20s and we're probably gonna pull back to like the 500s or something like that and then continue. Wish we would have hit the 20s here, pull back to the R1, maybe a little bit lower, then look to go up. But can't have it all, man. Just gotta bide your time. Find 20, 50, 80, like 600 to 500, you know, whole numbers that just reacts to them a lot. Like if you look at Wayne's pivots, like a lot of those levels are, you know, 80, right? 50, well, basically 50, and almost 20, you know, just, it happens at those levels a lot. Right, we open a new candle, we're above the R1, just barely. Into this kind of like little imbalance. On the 3-minute chart, we're above it, but on the 5-minute, we're still kind of down below it a bit. It looks like it wants a. Now, do we go to the 20, then come back down? Is the question. That is the question. Or do we just rip to the 50s? Alright, could just do that too. Could just do that too, so you gotta be careful. Just go to the 20s. And come down. Go to the 20s, then come down. There you go. 20s. One minute left on this candle. Want to see a wick here a bit. Nothing crazy, just a little wick, and then next candle come down here and look to move up. And don't just squeeze to the 50s. hesitate. Alright, like I said, no crazy wick. 35 seconds left. Just a nice little pullback. I don't want to see all wick on that candle because that'll make me nervous. Like that's the right amount of wick. That's too much wick. Come on. There you go. It's not bad. New candle. Alright. Dip down. Dip down to our R1, please. What's that here? I'd love to get down to the 500 again, but I don't know if we're going to. Probably pushing my luck there, trying to get too low. So we're going to go to our M4. Where is that? Make sure I'm right here. 53s. Oh, a little lower. Doesn't even matter. Now, 125 left on this candle. I'd like for this one to get up above the 20s again for the next one. Then we should get our push up to the 50s. That's what I'm thinking. How much time do we have left on this? We're getting to the end of this 2-hour block too. I'm really careful with this trade, I think. Seconds left. I don't want to close lower. Seen a nice reaction off this. Even maybe the 9. Just start squeezing right back up. 30 seconds left. Alright, that's what you want to see. You want to see it go down, try to go down, and just buyers buy right back up. Push it up higher. Five seconds left on this candle. Hello, phone. Get through that R1. Start squeezing. Alright, we're just down below it. Might have to go a little lower yet. But it'd be nice to get that squeeze before. I don't want to have to come down here. That would be gross. That. What is that? 89? Yeah, it's It's down here. Sooner we just squeeze, if you could. If it can't seem to get back above, I'm going to take it off. Because I'm not holding it if it's not going. Good squeeze up. Back up, close around 25s. Be perfect. Yeah, see, I don't trust that, right? That's why I'm putting the stop up to break even, because if it comes back down, I think it's going down to the 89s or so, so I don't really want to be in the trade if it does that. But if it pumps, hey, awesome, right? But if it got a sweep lower first before it moves back up, then I'll get back in. But I don't want to be in it and go through that drawdown for no reason, right? We draw down $100 or so. I know $100 really don't matter, but I've been having a shit time trading lately for some reason. So I'm sizing down really small to 2 micros or 4 micros. So just trying to make some trades and get some profit all set up. So I'm driving myself crazy. 4 seconds till new candle. I would have liked for it to close higher. I think it's coming down myself. Unless it just squeezes. Got to get over to 20s, right? And stay up around, get up around 25 and then start pushing. Once you get up around 35, 40, you're going to get a pretty good idea, okay, we're probably going to the 50s. But you got to get over those fucking 20s. How much time do we have left? Right, like, we're getting close to the... I'm going to take it off there. Even if it goes, it's fine. I don't think it's going to, though. It's just struggling really hard. If it rips up through, then I'll try to take it to the 50s, but... I almost feel like it comes down and say around the 89s, 90s. And looks the wick. Leave a wick here, new candle, and now I don't know, but we are above the R1. We're sitting there. You know. But like it always normally takes this, like these candles here. Just take the liquidity and then move up, right? I guess it kind of did in a way, so I don't know, we'll see. I don't mind getting in at 22 anyway. You can get up to 50 for 30 points. It's fine. But we'll see. We will see, man. Got a lot of liquidity stacking up there now. Holy shit. What we got? We got 26 contracts at the 17s, 24 at the 20s, 31 at the 22s, 16 contracts at the 25s. So we got a few contracts sitting up there, nothing to the downside. So chances are we'll see. It's literally a windstorm here. It's brutal. In the tail end of that storm in Jamaica. $135 left on this candle. Above the R1 now. I'm just worried now we're going to get tagged in and it's going to dump. I'd like for it to pull back first if it's going to do that. I think it's going to before it pumps up through those contracts. Took out all the ones at the 20s. And there's still 30 contracts at the 22, where I'm to. Nice little pullback now and then regroup. Yeah, that's what I was worried about. Just getting tagged in and installing. Alright? Can we push? 23. She's trying. I do not trust this. $125 left. I'll trust it better if we get up around the 40. We're at the 30 now. Yeah, I trust a lot more at the 40. Just need to squeeze through the 30s quick. Like, come on. Right, we would go up. That would be taking out all this level over here. Around the 53s. So, telling me you don't want to do that? Of course it wants to do that. Oh, I'm going to move this up, I think. I don't really want to, but I don't want this coming against me. just want it to squeeze now. Right, because we're kind of stalling at the 30s. You gotta push through the 30s. Up in the 40s, I don't care if it starts stalling, but 30s is too, no, I'll take it off. 30s is too, just stalling there. Now, I could have stayed in it, whatever. It's probably gonna pump, or whatever. Just trying, like I said, small trades, trying to be careful, not trying to lose any money, or too crazy. Right, I just didn't like it stalling at the 30s. And we're coming up to a new 2-hour block here on the Wayne's pivots, so, but watch it, it's just gonna push right up there, because it makes so much sense, right? That's where it wants to go. If you look over here, it's got all these little double tops and everything, can go clear all that, and then it might come back and just fucking rip up here to the 690s. Well, actually be here, I guess. 650s. But we'll see, you know. It's no big deal, man. Not going for huge profit today anyway. If we weren't so close to this new block, I probably would have. It just makes me nervous. We came from all the way down here to M2, made a few trades. From here to here, and we took one from here up to here, somewhere to M3, and the M3 to the R1, and the R1 up a little more. So we're making profit all the way up, because you got to think we were down 400, I think it was earlier. So down 400, and we're back up 120. So we're 500 up, 520 today. So that's not bad. And that's with small trades, just using the Wayne's pivots show us where the good entries in that are too. It's gonna get above this. It's definitely going up there. It's definitely going up there. What is this at down here? It's at 506. It's right back at the R1. So that might come right back down here. Might come right back down. Oh Lord. Yeah. Right, and that's just below that R1. 120 left on this candle. And get down in that this imbalance here. One minute left. Might not even get all the way down there. Might be it there. Okay. Thirty seconds. much time we got left here? Ooh, we're right on it. I don't like that. For the run right up there. That'd be nice. A little low.
Oh, he must be in town.
Oh, more
I
like
figured he was near you.
no, he's not with me. Hold on a second now.
What?
Yeah, well, that's it for me, man. I'm gonna leave it there, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good one, and be careful trading.